Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome you all to our new online class. Hope you all are well and safe and staying at home. I am Etim Nur Nubi, assistant teacher English for Fazgun Islamia Alim Madrasa. Today we will learn some more things from English for today of class 7. So, without much delay, let us begin the class. My dear students, let's see the pictures. What do you see in the picture? Who are they? They are what? I hope you are trying your own and answering my questions. Try. Okay. They are players. So, can anyone guess what is our topic today? Yes, our topic is Tales of Two Players. Tales of Two Players. This is from Unit 7, Lesson 1. My dear students, now you take your English for Today book and open at page 72. Open at page 72. Now I will read out the text and you read while listening. Every Thursday afternoon, Sabir plays football. He is a striker. He plays for the local friends club. Do you want to know what else he does on other days? This is what Sabir says. Friday and Saturday are my weekends. On Friday, I go to my village home. Going home is really a wonderful experience. My mother waits for me there. In the afternoon, I go cycling with my friends. Sometimes I go for a long walk. Next day, I get up a little late. In the afternoon, I play kabaddi. In fact, I was a kabaddi player during my madrasa days. From Saturday to Thursday, I go to the club at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's the time for our regular practice, so I have to get up by 6 o'clock. Usually on Monday afternoon, the team doctor sees all the players. On Tuesday, our coach shows us videos of important matches. We learn a lot from them. On Thursday, when we practice, our team manager watches our performance and keeps a record of that. Then he selects the team for the day. In the afternoon, I go to the club at 1 o'clock. I spend some time with my teammates. At 4 o'clock, our match begins. We regularly play with other local teams. My dear students, now we will learn some vocabulary from the text. Our first word is striker. What is the meaning of striker? The player who is to strike the ball in a game. The player who is to strike the ball in a game. বাংলায় বললে ফুটবল খেলায় সম্মুখভাগের খেলোয়াড়. The second word is wonderful. Wonderful. What is the meaning of wonderful? Amazing. In Bangla, বিস্ময়কর. The third word is cycling. What is the meaning of cycling? The activity of riding a bicycle. The activity of riding a bicycle. বাংলায় বললে সাইকেল চালানো. তাহলে সাইকেল চালানো ইংরেজি কি? সাইক্লিং. The fourth word is coach. What is the meaning of coach? An expert who trains someone. An expert who trains someone. বাংলায় বললে প্রশিক্ষক. প্রশিক্ষক যিনি প্রশিক্ষণ দেয়. ইংলিশ হচ্ছে কোচ. The last word is teammates. Teammates. What is the meaning of teammates? A player on someone's team. A player on someone's team মানে একই দলের খেলোয়াড়কে টিমমেটস বলে। একই ক্লাসে যারা একসাথে পড়ে তাদের ক্লাসমেটস বলে। ওকে মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, নাও look at the guiding question. Now look at the guiding question. This is a question. What does the coach show? What does the coach show? Now you again read the text for 2 minutes by your own and answer the guiding question. Now you read the text for 2 minutes by your own and find out the answer of the guiding question. Read. Yes, the answer is COSH, coach. The answer is coach shows us videos of important matches. My dear students, now take your notebook and write down the topic. This is your homework. Use the picture in section A. Use the picture in section A. Describe Sabbir's week. Describe Sabbir's week. Write down the topic. There are 8 pictures in the section A. Actually, you have to describe every single picture in one sentence and make a list. After completing the list, post your answer in the comment section. I will check the answers. Okay? That's all for today. Inshallah. See you again.